Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK 2, Unit 13. The door is open. 门开着呢。门开着呢。Okay, pictures first. So read phrases. And number 1, 铅笔。铅笔. That means pencil, right? Choose C. And number 2, 手。手 means that hands. So choose A. Number 3, 宾馆. So here we should pronounce the first B, I, and first. 宾馆. So here we need to divide it to syllables, right? So choose F. And number 4, 拿, that means to take. So choose E. 眼睛, so choose B. 路口, so crossing, choose D. So the answers are C, A, F, E, B, D. Text 1. In the office, A says, 门开着呢。门开着呢，请进。The door is open. Come in, please. 请进。这 here is a particle, the word is new one and used to indicate a state. So this time we'll learn the new grammar. I will explain you later. 请问 here, excuse me. 张先生在吗？张先生在吗？ Is Mr. Zhang in? 在吗？在 means in or here. Is Mr. Zhang here or is Mr. Zhang in? 他出去了。出去了。He's gone out. Le here past tense, right? Means that the state is means indicating the past tense. So 下午你下午再来吧。Please come in the afternoon. In the afternoon. 你下午再来吧。So 再 here means again, right? 好的，谢谢。Okay, thank you. So here the structure particle 这 here indicate the continuation or of a certain state. So 门开着呢 that means 开 is a verb, is open or opening. Because the door is continuing opening, right? Continuing opening. So here like this one, 他们穿着红色的衣服，穿着 because they are wearing right clothes, right? 穿着 wearing. And the negative form add may before the verb. For example, 门开着呢. So we can add may in front of the verb. 没开着。门没开着。他们没穿着红色的衣服。But how about the integrative sentence? We can add 没有 in the end of the sentence. For example, the door is open. 门开着. So we can ask, the door is open or not? 门开着没有？门开着没有？他们穿着红色的衣服没有？ Just add 没有 in the end of the sentence. Okay, so it's very important. We can describe something that continue or something. And text 2, in the office. 那个正在说话的女孩是谁？ So here, 正在说话 that means who is the girl speaking, right? Speaking is speaking now. So 正在 means now. 那个 so that girl is speaking. So who is she? 是谁？我知道她的名字，她姓杨，叫杨笑笑。I know her name. Her name is 杨笑笑。姓 you know, 姓 that means Yang, that means family name, right? So to call, Yang is her family name. 她姐姐是我同学。Her elder sister is my classmate. 那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？手里 so 手里拿着铅笔的 that means that the girl with a pencil in her hands, in her hand. What about the girl with a pencil in her hand? That one, I don't know. So new words first, 手 hand, 拿 to hold, to take, to bring. 铅笔 pencil, 杨笑笑，笑 that means smell, right? 笑笑 reduplicates words, right? So it's a good name, means that always smelling. Okay. So here rhetorical question, 不是吗? So that's remind someone of something or to show confusion or dissatisfaction. For example, 不是说今天有雨吗？怎么没下？不是 so why not? To ask or to express confusion or dissatisfaction. Okay, so text 3 on the playground. 听说你有女朋友了，我认识她吗？ So I heard you have a girlfriend now. Do I know her? 就是我们班那个长着 so here always draw here 长着两个大眼睛 so she's the girl in our class 长着 that means can translate like with two big eyes, right? 非常爱笑的女孩非常 very 非常爱笑的女孩 so and a smiling face 她不是有男朋友吗？她不是有男朋友吗？男朋友 means boyfriend. So she's already got a boyfriend, hasn't she? Ask, right? To express confusion. 那个已经是她的前男友了。So that's her ex now. 那个已经是她的前男友了。So here new words, 班 class, grade, or team, 长 that means to grow, to develop, 长 is very important. But another pronunciation about this word, we can say that 长 means that long. So short, we can say in Chinese 短 笑 here is a verb, to smell, to love. The last one, on the road. 请问这儿离新京宾馆远吗？ Excuse me, is Xinjing Hotel far away from here? 这 means here, leave, away. 新京宾馆远 means that far. 不远 so not far. 走路20分钟就到 Also here we use 就 because it wants to express early than expectation, right? Try to remember this one. 走路20分钟就到。你能告诉我怎么走吗？ So can you tell me how to get there? Can you tell me how to get there? 你能告诉我怎么走吗？从这儿一直往前走。从这儿一直往前走。Walk straight ahead from here and turn right at the first crossing. 到了前面的路口，再往右走。So here 往 means that towards here. The new words to towards preposition. 一直 street all along. 宾馆 that means hotel. 路口 crossing. So walk straight ahead from here and turn right at the first crossing. I think it's hard for you to express that the direction and how to get there. So let's read twice from here. 从这儿一直往前走，从这儿一直往前走，到了前面的路口，再往右走，到了前面的路口，再往右走。So read again. 从这儿一直往前走，到了前面的路口，再往右走。Okay, so this is all for today, and we learned that the new grammar and the structural particle 这 indicate something that continue, right? 门开着呢。 Remember this one? So 窗户开着呢，窗户关着呢。The window is open. The window is closed. So try to remember how to express this sentence. Okay, this is all for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.